Imagine this. Someone look at you and say just one word, and suddenly you feel understood, seen, almost relived. What if I tell you, Hindi has words that can describe your life perfectly? Want to know which word it is? Then watch this lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Shaheda Education Adventure. I am your teacher, Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 1 of our 60-day Hindi vocabulary confident journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Hindi word, and at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style Hindi sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So, stay with me until the end. Today's word is tired. In Hindi, it will be thaka hua. Repeat after me. Thaka hua. Try slowly. Thaka hua. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. Thaka hua doesn't only mean you worked too much. You can be tired of explaining, tired of waiting, or tired of pretending everything is okay. When you say thaka hua, Hindi listeners feel your truth. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a Hindi vocabulary assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio, description, or comments, depending on the platform you are using. For those who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private Hindi vocabulary program, short, focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. The course link is in the bio, description, or comments. It's for learners who want structure, guidance, and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Many students have already transformed this way. Now here is a reward. Let's see how native speakers usually use thaka hua. I am tired. मैं थक गया हूँ. मैं थक गई हूँ. She is very tired. वो बहुत थकी हुई है. Notice something important. In Hindi, the sentence changes slightly depending on whether the speaker is male or female. That's it. One word, but now it's meaningful. Now this is your moment. Pause the video. Make one sentence about yourself using thaka hua. Then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Hindi course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This is day 1. Tomorrow, day 2, we will explore words that describe inner strength. Follow the journey, stay consistent. Your journey to confident Hindi starts now.